Okay, here we go again. Anyways, my name is Chuck. Here we have a Code 3 MX7000 stationary. You can use it for rear, parking, flashing, etc., etc. Or you can use it as front takedown, flashing, parking, etc., etc. Okay. Next to it, we have a cheap, very cheap Arrowstik light assembly. These things suck because the more bumps you hit with your vehicle, the top part loosens up. And then, as you can see, this loosens up. The vibration of your vehicle actually wears through the non-conductive material. And then, of course, you have grounding, which fries your system. Or blows fuses. Hopefully you have fuses in between. And so these assemblies are crap. So what I'm going to do is which I've already done to this one, is remove the back of the stationary light for your MX7000 light bar stationary light and straighten out the tabs. Okay, this is a way better system here. It's permanently, like when you put the light bulb in, it doesn't mess with the attachments, the electrical hookups, because they're stationary. They're permanent. See how strong that is? And all you're gonna have to do now is you're gonna have to put an eye hook on one of these, a wire eye hook. See if I got one here somewhere. Hold on. Okay. One of these from here. And then at the other end, you're going to have the connector that goes into your wire harness. The other end is going to look like this, a slide-on. Should be a 1/4-inch slide-on, if I'm not mistaken. With a plastic cover. So it's gonna be, in other words, it's gonna be, you can do it either or. Either, whoever's doing this, whoever's watching this, you can figure it out. You'll either use, since you already have this connector on your original Arrowstik, you might want to use the female type connector, on the other end of this wire to ground it. And that's all you're doing, is you're basically just rebuilding your Arrowstik the right way. Because this thing, when the light bulb's in there like it is, the light bulb's in there, it should be tight. This is ridiculous. It's freaking cheap. You put the light bulb in and it loosens up and it just, everything's loose like that. I mean, this hooks into the little socket there, but that just leaves all the weight of the bulb on that one center pole right there. And basically, this just chews away, the vibration of your vehicle just chews away at the non-conductive material, plastic, whatever you want to call it, whatever's in here. And it'll just, this goes to the frame for ground, and it'll just short right to the damn thing. That's what I found out was wrong with this one. Blowing fuses every time you plugged it in. And then what I'm going to do, hopefully when I do this, I'll see if with this attached right here to the back, with some self-tapping screws. One of the holes is already there for the original one, but I'm probably just going to end up putting both of them centered, because They're a little bit wider. They're a hair, I swear to God, dude, they are just a hair wider, which really sucks. So I can even put it at somewhat of an angle to get away from those original holes, like that. As long as it's centered, as long as the bulb's centered, you know, to fit in here. Anyway, so that's your fix. That's your fix for these stupid cheap loose assemblies right here. I mean, look at that. The bulb's in there, and this thing is just, even when, like I said, even when this is clamped, you know, the bulb's out, you put this, clamped it back into the hole, it's just loose. It's just looser than hell. Heck, I mean. Alright, well, thanks for watching this video, and hopefully people don't throw their arrow sticks away, and they fix them like this. And you can get these stationary, I got 18 of these for 40 bucks on eBay. They're selling them because people are stripping the Code 3 MX7000s, and they're just trashing them to upgrade to newer ones, which are actually made cheaper. I actually prefer the older ones. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much. Hopefully this helps you fix your arrow stick. Alright, bye.